Before moving to the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am BIVIN. In this video, I will show you how to add fonts in Pixellab. So we'll move to the video. Firstly, you have to go to Chrome and search for font. Website link I have given in the description. You can download any of these font. After downloading, you have to extract this file. You can even use Z-Archiver. I am using File Manager. Select this file and extract. Select and move to the font folder. Then paste it here. Then open Pixellab. Now you can see that the font is available.